Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity on Ellastone Road to show you this beautiful, prestigious 4-bedroom, semi-detached property. At the front we have some gorgeous plants and a beautiful low maintenance front garden. Entering the property we've got a grand entrance hallway, access to the cellar just through there. Property's got beautiful features throughout. Stained glass. Property is warmed with gas central heating throughout. We've got our lovely living area to the front of the property, featuring a log burner. Got lovely high ceilings, again, fantastic features with the property. Now coming through to the second living room. Now this could be used as a dining area or could be knocked through to have a large kitchen diner to the rear of the property. It's overlooking our fantastic south facing rear garden, which is tiered and has composite decking and paving. Now coming through to the kitchen, got a very good sized kitchen here. Again, the property is great and it still has a lot of further potential as well. So again, with the original features, we've got an original drying rack there, which comes in very handy. Again, a mixture of wall and base units. We've got a dining table here, but if you wanted further space in the kitchen, you could use the second reception room as a dining area. And then coming out into the garden, got our composite decking, seated area, and then we've got our paving to the bottom. We've got an outhouse as well, which is used for storage, which is really ideal. You can see how it's tiered here. We've got bordered plants, great space, and again this garden is south facing. So the owners have took very much pride in the garden and with the rest of the house, all beautifully maintained and immaculate throughout. So again, there is a cellar as well with the property, which is currently used as storage. And then coming up the stairs, which are nice and wide for further convenience, we've got another stained glass window there. And then this is our main bedroom. So we've got a lovely bay fronted window, again with stained glass. Beautiful original features of the property there. So this is bedroom 1, again with a feature fireplace. And bedroom 2 is a very similar size. So this bedroom is overlooking the fantastic rear garden. So we are on Ellastone Road. It's a lovely family cul-de-sac within walking distance to fantastic well-kept parks like Beale Hill Park, fantastic local amenities, transport links, local schools. This would definitely be a perfect family home. It's 4 bedrooms, so this is a 3rd bedroom, currently being used as storage. And then we have our shower room here, which is next to the 3rd bedroom. So we've got a shower and a bath in here, so we've got a great 4-piece suite. And then completing the first floor of this fantastic property is the 4th bedroom. Again with the stained glass and great original features throughout. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property on Ellastone Road, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.